Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Bentley Flying Spur by CCA. It says 1:64, but here it says 1:70, so I'm not sure. Once I open it up, I can verify if it's mentioned on the car. It's from the Metal Speed Zone. I think this is my first of those, so I'm not sure what to expect. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Bentley out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is the paint. It's some shade of maroon. The wheels, they look pretty close to what you see on Hot Wheels and my stores and Matchbox. Let's go to the front. Up front, you got detailed grille. Headlamps are painted. Those are not like nice detailed ones, but they remind me something like a Maestro, and if I'm not wrong, RMZ City used to do headlamps like that. But still good details. You got the Bentley logo. You got the grille texture and fog lamps, but again, those are not detailed. So this seems like main line of MSZ, because I've got the other one, which is like more premium. We'll look into that too in coming videos. Yeah, so these are the details up front. You can also see it got both the mirrors, so that's good. Now coming back to the driver's side, let's see the details on it. So you got door handle, these wheels with suspension, that's good. Can't see any more details on the side. This is how it looks from the back. Again, tail lamps are painted. I don't know if you can see it. Let me focus on that. Because of the paint, it don't pop out that much, but tail lamps are painted. Apart from that, there's no major details in the back when compared to any badging or any logos. You can see the place for number plate and for the exhaust. Let's see any major details from that. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost vertical. Did I miss the fuel filler, or did the car miss the fuel filler? No, I missed it. It's on the driver's side. This is how it looks from the top. You can see a cut line for sunroof, but there isn't any. And the interior is done in black. And this is how it looks from the bottom. It does say it's 1:70, so yeah. Overall, I can't remember how much I paid for this one, but yeah, it's a decent casting. Definitely more detailed than the Hot Wheels mainline, but I think it was pricier than Hot Wheels mainline too. Should you get one? Well, I will leave that to you. You can maybe buy something with more details, or if not, this isn't that bad. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.